You can be zealous, going off in the wrong direction. He will stop you, bring you to your knees, and let you see who he really is. God will tell you that this is the purpose and the plan that I have for your life. These are the people that I want you to serve. He will tell you that I've got so much more for you, that greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. He will tell you that you are more than a conqueror, that no weapon formed against you is going to prosper. And he will tell you that he will allow you to condemn every tongue that rises up against you. He will tell you that he will raise you from a sick bed. He will tell you that he will take care of your family members. He will tell you that he will watch over your children. He will tell you that where you cannot be, he's already gone before, that he will go into the doctor's room. He will go into the courtroom. He will do whatever you need him to do in order for you to accomplish the goal that he has set out for you to reach. God, you need to know.